So you're thinking about booking Prinsotel La Dorada? Let me tell you all about it. One word first impression for this hotel is classy, for its classy design, classy location, and classy features, like this swinging sunbed. Let's check the temperature of the pool, shall we? With an adult's pool, a kid's pool, and a splash pool, it gets a 9 out of 10 on the splashometer, bomb in or swim in peace. The pools are all close to each other, and there's even a kind of lazy river feature. Float under bridges and crack out the lilos, while the little ones splash around near the kids' club. Come on, let's check out the room. We stayed in an apartment at this hotel, with a kitchen, a stylish bathroom, living room and bedroom, and this back garden. What a view. There's a barley bed, a comfy table and chairs for heated games of Uno, and this tub. It even lights up in the evening if you fancy a posh glass of Prosecco soaked in moonlight. The room's amazing, and I could see myself finding excuses to knit back and forth all day. 9 out of 10 do not disturbs. Time to have a look around the place. It's immaculate all around the hotel, with street food carts and so much to do for kids and adults alike. There's sports, a decent gym, and loads to do at the kids club for the bambinos. You can even ask a reception to hire a bike so you can explore Alcudia on 2 wheels. Me, I just borrowed one to get to the beach that's about 2 minutes away, and all that cycling made me thirsty. San Miguel's the beer on tap here, but I opted for one of their best cocktails. Easily gets 9 perfect pours out of 10 for me. Speaking of food and drink though, the buffet restaurant at the hotel has a wide selection and even a manned grill station. But if you're a foodie like me, the a la carte restaurants are well worth a visit. Insta Scrannable rating comes in at a nobody eat until I've taken a picture. It's time for Not in the Brochure. Bottled Coca-Cola at the snack bar, classic. Ice cream on tap, winner. Outdoor grill for lunch, sorted. A steamer in the room, how posh. A poolside towel station, handy. Well, Prinsotel La Dorada, this 4-star hotel gets a maximum 5 palm trees out of 5. Perfect for every type of traveller looking for a little bit of luxury in their life. The kids won't want to leave, and the adults definitely won't. For me, it's time for a San Miguel and a game of ping pong, I reckon. Happy holidays.
On the beach.